Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the cooling fan clutch on Audi A6 C5. We can see the fan clutch is located right there, so before we remove it we need to remove the serpentine belt. We can see that when we turn the fan, it rotates very easily without any force. So first we start by removing the air intake hose. Next we need to remove the serpentine belt. The tensioner for the serpentine belt is right there. We need a ratchet size 17 to push the tensioner clockwise so that we can loosen the tension on the belt and remove the belt. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we need to remove the bolt that holds the fan clutch to the engine. The bolt is right there. It's Allen key size 8. That's the Allen key size 8 that I'm going to use. Before I start loosening the bolt, I need to put a pin in the pulley of the fan clutch so that it doesn't rotate when I try to turn the This is the pin that I'm going to use, and you'll see where exactly I put it in so that it holds the pulley on the fan clutch. Yep, you can see where exactly I put it in, right there. And next I can start removing the bolt that holds the fan clutch. That's the bolt removed. Now that we removed the bolt, the fan clutch along with the fan is free, but we can't take it out because there is not enough space. So we need to separate the clutch from the fan. The clutch is held to the fan by 4 bolts, which are size 10 socket, but there is not much space to remove those bolts, so I'll show you how I did it. This is the hardest part of it all. To get a little bit more access to those 4 bolts on the fan, I removed these 2 bolts and the 2 bolts on the other side. Now that these bolts are removed, I can pull the whole metal plate a little bit forward, and it will give me a little bit more space, and will give me a little bit more access to those 4 bolts. It's still very tight space, but I managed to get my hand in there and my wrench in there, my ratchet in there, and okay, now that the 4 bolts are removed, I can remove the clutch from the fan and just take it out, and maybe even take both out. And that's the fan clutch out. Now this is what it looks like. Now we can put on the new fan clutch. Putting it on is exactly the same as removing it, so we just assemble everything back in the reverse order. Thank you for watching.